Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Accent CRDi fuel filter. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including a new fuel filter, a set of wrenches, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool before starting. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface for safety. Now, let's find that fuel filter, which is usually located either close to the fuel tank or within the engine bay itself. Before you begin, it's crucial to relieve any pressure in the fuel system. Consult your car's manual for the exact procedure, often involving the fuel pump fuse. Position your drain pan directly under the fuel filter to collect any spilled diesel. With the pressure relieved, you can now carefully disconnect the fuel lines. Be gentle, as these can be fragile. Also, unclip any electrical connectors attached to the filter housing. Now, it's time to install your new fuel filter. Pay close attention to the arrows on the filter, indicating the correct fuel flow direction. This is vital for proper engine operation. Carefully reattach all the fuel lines, making sure they click firmly into place. Don't forget to reconnect any electrical sensors or connectors you removed earlier. Double-check that all fittings are snug to prevent any potential fuel leaks. After installation, you'll need to prime the fuel system. Turn your ignition to the on position for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times to allow the fuel pump to fill the new filter. Once primed, start the engine and let it idle. Carefully inspect around the new filter for any signs of fuel leaks. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your smoothly running Hyundai.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.